All right, so I've been wrestling with the cover for this, and the cup holder area keeps popping up, and then I noticed this is not lined up. So I'm hoping that if I pull, let's disconnect this guy. If I pull this up, hang on. If I pull it up and snap it into place. All right, so now this is in place where it should be. All right, let's see. So hopefully this will just snap back into place now that I have, and that is actually where it should be. Oh, that was 1,000 times easier. So if you're having issues underneath this cover, make sure that this, this whole underneath piece, that the tab is in, and it's not on the outside. If it was on the outside, this whole area is getting pushed, which pushes this out, and now it's good.